ACT, Advocates for Community Transformation, is an inner-city justice ministry based in West Dallas, whose mission is to intervene and seek justice on behalf of Dallas citizens who are oppressed by crime and urban blight through identifying, documenting evidence, and pursuing legal action against the owners of crime-ridden or abandoned derelict properties.
Their neighborhood is unsafe. They're having to live next to abandoned shacks, properties that are infested with crime, properties that are havens for drug dealers.
It's a lot of crime in this area.
There is so much that people just have to put up with, and it's commonplace. It's so common that it's not even thought to be unusual.
When I see drug homes and I see expensive cars go there, and the people that buy these drugs, don't care about the community.
Drugs now are more prevalent than ever before.
You could have prostitution there, you could have drug use. It's not safe to live near those type of properties.
It takes away the beauty of the neighborhood.
They have broken into homes. Several older people got murdered.
You are like a prisoner in your own home. You're unable to get out of your driveway half the time.
You're in a neighborhood and there's a house that's a drug house. None of the neighbors know how to address it.
There are hundreds of these types of properties all over Dallas, let alone in West Dallas, and I saw the need to come in and do something very systemic and transformational through the work of justice that our legal system allows us to pursue.
And ACT has come up with a collaborative approach that employs lawyers and their skills and members of the community, and what they're able to do knits them together and actually presents a solution for that problem.
Our hope is that each identified crime-ridden or abandoned property is reclaimed by the neighborhoods in which we serve by bringing a sense of urgency to the property owner to either clean up their property themselves or be faced with legal action.
I got involved with ACT because I wanted to use my legal skills to make a difference, and I wanted to do that here in Dallas, which is where I live and work. And ACT provided the opportunity to serve a part of Dallas that has long been underserved and where there was a real need for people with legal skills to make a difference.
Micah 6:8 says,
"He has shown you, O man, what is good and what the Lord requires of you, but to do justice and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God."
In the same way that we are called to heal the sick, clothe the naked, and feed the hungry, we are also called to carry out justice on behalf of the oppressed.
People many times that are not in power, the people that are poor, the people that are sometimes forgotten.
And ACT has provided me the chance to get to see another side of Dallas and to get to become involved in my community in a way I don't think I otherwise would have been able to.
ACT has been able to address a problem that so many people think is impossible to solve.
It shows hope to people who are very hopeless.
ACT is a blessing from God for us, I think.
And ACT is a way that we can use our blessings and our resources as lawyers, and to know that you are doing God's work in that community, it's just a reward.
ACT is making a difference, so come get involved in the fight for justice in Dallas.